Just as we always do when it comes to preparing for our practice, we do so by settling ourselves in. So what that means for some of us is that we first need to take a few moments to settle into our bodies, which may require you to adjust your meditation posture, changing the position of your legs, changing the position of your arms, using your backrest, using the wall for support. And please don't be disheartened if you need to change your meditation posture, but just doing so with a calm state of mind, that you're not restlessly changing your posture, but that you can mindfully change your posture. And even when it comes to working with the body itself over these first couple of minutes, we try our best to not blindly react. So if you do notice something surfacing on the body, take a few moments, pause, sit with it, breathe with it. And if it subsides, all is good. If it doesn't, then let that be a sign that you can mindfully shift. And then for others, as the body begins to settle, we can bring awareness to our breath. Our breath being that very important anchor within us. A very simple anchor, but a very effective anchor in grounding us. In bringing our minds into our bodies. And with the best of intentions, keeping our mind within our bodies. So just continuing to breathe as you ground your body, as you settle into your breath. So from this place of mindfulness within you, let us invite some investigation. And when it comes to investigating, we are trying to encourage curiosity. So nothing needs to be corrected, nothing needs to be changed. We're just curious of our experience as we look within. And in the most basic sense of this moment right here, just notice what the mind is like right now. And it's not that you need to look for any particular answer, you're just inquiring. Does the mind feel calm? Does it feel a bit restless? And understanding, as we've spoken about in previous weeks, that the mind isn't just limited to the thinking mind. It extends out towards the feeling mind as well. Different parts of the body carry a mind as well. When it comes to the overall quality of your meditation practice, how is your energy in this moment? Does the mind feel sharp, alert, attentive? Or does it feel a bit dull, drowsy, tired? And sometimes we are able to influence some of these things. We can be a bit more energetic with our breath if needed. Contrastingly, if the energy is too high, we can also be mindful with our breathing to soften. And as we continue to settle through this experience of our meditation, notice what starts to shift, what starts to change. So for some of us that may have had a bit of restlessness in the mind, maybe some of it subsides and it feels a bit calmer. The mind that may have been distracted by different thoughts or feelings has become a bit more interested in just the breath and body. For some of us, the mind that may have been very quick to react has become a bit more steady. But if there is some resistance, just notice what it may be. What may be stopping you from experiencing a sense of peace in this moment right here? even the subtlest of shifts within our mind and body matter. Does the mind feel a bit more clear? A little more steady? Is there a little more balance within? As always, as we come out of our meditation, we can take a few moments to bring our hands together to create some heat and energy within our palms, and allowing for that heat to wash over your face as you take your time to reopen your eyes.